CoreTools, Plane Cut. The Plane Cut tool allows you to cut meshes with a plane, similar to bisect tools. It doesn't rely on your mesh's topology, so you can cut triangles or n-gons without any issues. The Plane Cut tool will greatly help you speed up the topology cleanup process, prepare your model for subdivision, or quickly add extra geometry during grayboxing and prototyping stages. Built-in snapping ensures every cut is neat and precise. The Plane Cut tool has 5 main modes. World. This mode cuts objects along the world's axis. The desired plane orientation is specified in the plane settings. For example, setting it to XY will cut along the world's Z-axis, while XZ will cut along the world's Y-axis. Local. In this mode, cuts are aligned with the object's local rotation. Notice that in local mode, the plane's orientation will depend on the local rotation of the object currently under your mouse cursor. Edge. This is a very handy mode where the plane's orientation depends on the highlighted edge under your mouse cursor. Simply hover over another edge, and the plane will change accordingly. This mode allows you to make quick cuts without needing to manually set the desired plane orientation. 3D cursor. In cases where the world, local, or even edge modes won't create the cut you want, use the 3D cursor mode. Snap the 3D cursor to a specific location on your mesh, and pick the desired plane orientation to make a cut. To cut only a certain part, use the Selected Only option. Camera. This mode cuts meshes with a plane oriented to your viewport camera, also known as the view plane. You can access the tool settings from the End panel or by simply right-clicking. Hotkeys and colors can be changed in the add-on preferences. We hope you enjoy our tool. Find more information in the description.